Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hard work feels good. We're going to do some splitting real quick before it gets dark. So got my hearing protection, my gloves, and we're gonna get at it. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm splitting beech. This is part of the tree that fell from my house into the neighbor's yard. It doesn't split as easy as you would think. And for the people that are always asking me, how long have I had that seat, aka Stumpy? I've had that for probably a good 5 years. One of those things that just stays with the splitter for me. Makes a nice little seat. The other thing too, guys, this wood is sort of fresh. The tree came down probably about a year and a half ago. And as you can see, as I'm splitting it, it's super stringy. Some of it was rotted. Obviously, the tree came down on its own. So I'm doing my normal thing. I split. I keep the good stuff, and I take the rots. I put them off to the side. You know, this is part of another problem I have, guys. I'm always moving the splitter. I'm a one-man band. I gotta keep repositioning everything. Otherwise, I gotta bring all the rounds to me. I'm looking for a new machine. If anybody's got any suggestions or ideas, please comment. Let me know. Let me know what you're using. Because I want to get a bigger machine. Something that makes life a little bit easier for me. In terms of the oak that I'm splitting, this has been sitting for probably 3 years. It's part of my initial delivery of wood from a local utility company. Was taking out a ton of trees. You can see a video. I'll throw a link up. But the oak is the best stuff. It splits really well. It burns really hot. At night, I make sure I'm always burning oak. I use the other woods during the day. This way, you know, if it doesn't burn as long as the oak, it's okay because I can refill it as much as I want during the day. And as I stack it off to the side, guys, I let the air kind of get to it for a bit. And then I take and I stack it in the stalls that I've created with pallets. Although, check out for some future upcoming videos. I'm going to stop using pallets and I'm going to build like a 10 by 10 shed that's got open walls. I'm going to take some of the wood that I've got that I milled and I'm going to make some open walls, if that makes sense. That is a downfall with this machine. The lip at the bottom that you use to put the downforce with the splitter, it's very small. So when I get into these big rounds, it kind of makes it very difficult to split it. And I also got to make sure that the round is always on the lip. Otherwise, when I push it down, it won't split it. So that's part of the struggle that you see me there. I go back and forth. I gotta make sure that it's seated correctly. And if you guys notice, it's starting to get dark out. I don't know if you guys are like me. I can't sit still. I'm always working. And during the daylight is when I try to get a lot of work done. But at night, you know, this is kind of my therapy at night. So I'll come over to the giant wood pile I have, and I'll just start sitting and split. And even if I only get 15-20 minutes, that 15-20 minutes makes a huge difference on everything that I accomplish. Do a little hard work here, a little hard work there equals a lot of hard work.
Alright guys, it's getting dark out pretty fast. It wasn't much, but I got a few rounds split. Got a nice new stack going. Definitely got more to go. So until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow. Drop me a comment, let me know what you think. If you got something better, let me know. Better equipment, better whatever, advice. I'm a one-man band out here, you know, doing one piece at a time, if that makes sense. But I know I'm saving money. Let me know your thoughts. If there's a bigger machine, a better machine that I could do to do all the wood I have. I still have probably about maybe 15 cords that I still need to buck and split. But I'm been researching, looking for a bigger machine, make it easier for me. So if you guys got thoughts, let me know. All right, well, most important, guys, don't forget, hard work feels good. See you on the next one.
Hey guys, if this video is as satisfying to you as it is to me, check out one of my other videos where I use a 4-way wedge and I go quickly through a lot of wood. Right here on the screen.